On September 10, 2015, Valmet arranged a site visit for investors and analysts to Sundsvall, Sweden. The visit focused on Valmet's pulping operations as well as related services and bioenergy. In Sundsvall, Valmet also has a fiber technology center, which is a cornerstone in Valmet's ambition for continuous product development. The Sundsvall site employs over 400 people.
As pulp is used as raw material in tissue and board production, the pulp demand is largely driven by the tissue and board consumption. Megatrend, world trade, e-commerce and increased living standards increase the consumption of board and tissue and therefore also increase the demand of pulp. Valmet believes that the pulp market is growing by approximately 1% per year and corresponds to about 1 to 1.5 mega mill a year. Not said that it will only going to be mega mills. Also creep production in existing markets such as EMEA and North America is there. Rebuilds, upgrades and expansion are typical in Europe and North America, and some new mills can also come in these areas. Valmet has a long history, large install base, a lot of experience and a strong market position in pulp. I believe that our customers value this together with our product portfolio, which is also driven by the sustainability issues, such as water consumption and energy optimization. Our know-how is strong, and that will certainly help us going forward.
Pulp mills are large establishments with many process areas and many machines, and that is of course needing services. We also know that the number of pulp mills are increasing, the size is increasing of the pulp mill, but also the average age of existing mills are increasing, and everything of this is leading to that we have a need for service also long term and short term. We also know that it's important to be close to customers, and that's why we are expanding our service network where we're building new mills, and that is mainly in South America and Indonesia. So we are investing in new service capabilities in Brazil, Indonesia, and we're expanding existing ones in China. So fact is that as we have deep knowledge about building new pulp mills, that knowledge is also very important for service. By using this knowledge, we can understand the customer needs, and that is supporting the type of services and concepts that we are developing and are able to execute local, and that is supporting service growth.
The market for converting biomass into fuels, chemicals and materials is developing. And the market drivers differ somewhat depending on technology and market, but in general I would say that drivers are, for example, growth of energy, transportation and chemical industries. Other drivers include the bottlenecking of existing plants and making use of waste streams by adding value. Valmet's traditional business and customers, they form a sound foundation for our biotechnologies. In the pulp mills and heat and power generation business we have a long history and a lot of experience. I believe that this offers us a solid foundation to build on. And on top of that foundation we continue the development to fit in the emerging business. We have a long-term R&D cooperation with our partners and have achieved some very good results. Examples of that is pyrolysis and LignoBoost.